Welcome to our exploration of how to be a rapper for kids. Welcome to the world of rapping. Rapping is a fun and creative way to express yourself through words and music. In this video, we'll explore how you can start your journey to becoming a rapper. Whether you love rhymes, rhythms, or just want to tell stories, rapping is for you.
The first step in rapping is understanding rhythm and beats. Imagine a steady drum beat in your head. This beat is the heartbeat of your rap. Try clapping your hands, you're tapping your feet to get a feel for the rhythm. Practice with your favorite songs and pay attention to how the words fit with the music. Now it's time to write your first rap. Start by thinking of a topic you love, like your favorite sport, hobby, or even your pet. Write down your ideas in short sentences. Remember, rapping is like writing a poem that you can say out loud to a beat. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just let your creativity flow.
Rhyme is a big part of rapping. Rhyming words are words that sound similar, like cat and hat. Try to find words that rhyme with the key words in your sentences. You can also use rhyming dictionaries or apps to help you find new words. Practice by creating short rhyming sentences and saying them out loud.
Flow is how your words move with the beat. It's like a dance for your voice. Listen to different rappers and notice how they change their speed, volume, and style. Try reading your rap out loud in different ways until you find a flow that feels right for you. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Once you have your rap and flow, it's time to perform. Stand up straight, take a deep breath, and speak clearly. Imagine you're telling a story to your friends. You can perform in front of a mirror or record yourself to see how you look and sound. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Now that you're a rapper, it's time to share your art. You can perform for your family, friends, or even at school talent shows. If you're feeling brave, you can record your rap and share it online, with permission. Remember, rapping is about having fun and expressing who you are. So be proud of your work. Congratulations, you're on your way to becoming a rapper. Keep practicing and most importantly, enjoy the journey.